my name is Theresa McGee, and I teach art and digital media in a suburb outside of Chicago. I taught elementary for 17 years, and now I'm in my 9th year teaching at the middle school level.
Hello, my name is Gaff. I am an art teacher in the Indianapolis, Indiana area, and I have been for 13 years.
So one piece of advice I wish I had when I first started teaching was how important it was to build those relationships with the parents and the students.
The one piece of advice I wish someone would have told me my first year of teaching is that it is okay to throw old things away.
With those students, if they're difficult in your classroom, that's when you got to turn it up. You got to figure out what makes them tick, what things that they like, what is endearing about them, and make sure that they know it. If they feel that you like them, then they're going to be better behaved for you in the classroom.
I think we hang on to things because we always get in this mindset of I might use it for an art project. And sometimes it's just junk and it's good to get it out.
With the parents, find any opportunity you can to email home about those great kids that are working so hard all the time. This helps you build up that army of parents that will support you in places that you wouldn't expect. When they talk about the art teacher at their school, someone can then say, you know what, I really like this art teacher. They're really supportive of my child. But then there's those difficult conversations. Put yourself in the mindset of that parent. What do they want to be hearing? Do they want to hear you complain about how their child isn't behaving? Or would they rather have you ask them for advice on how they can better help their kid behave in the classroom, what things might work for them at home, things that they should know about.
I'm a huge fan of recycled art projects. Hang on to it, the rest get out.
Those things I wish I knew now that helped me an awful lot as a veteran teacher.